Okay guys, so welcome to a new video on Win versus Droid. Now let's see what's inside this. I mentioned about this in my previous video and I received this from eBay. The price was not mentioned on the box, but I think I paid, I don't remember actually. Let's remove this thing out. Nothing else inside. So what's this? Let's see. Nothing is mentioned on the box, on the package about this product. So let me open this thing and have a look. Okay, maybe this thing is a connector. Yes, it is. So here's the product, guys. One more terabyte product. It's terabyte USB 3 Ethernet adapter. It says it's a Mac OS X or maybe CSX compatible, and it says Windows 8 and Windows 7 compatible. The model number is TB226L. It's a USB 3 Ethernet adapter. You can see a blue that thing of USB 3 over here. Let's remove this thing and have a look at the product itself. Oh, you do have a CD driver, so you get a driver inside with this apart from the main product. First of all, let's have a look at the specifications. It says it switch 10 Mbps or 100 Mbps network automatically, Heli for full duplex 10 or 100 Mbps operation, support full duplex or maybe just you can pause it and have a look if you understand what these things are. As I mentioned, USB 3 model number, manufactured in China, made in China. These are the different operating systems that it supports, and no idea if it supports Windows 10 or not. So second terabyte product, I just unboxed the terabyte screen cleaner just now, and this is the main product. It says terabyte, something written over here, maybe manufacturing date or something, but here's a USB 3 connector on this side, and here's the Ethernet connector on this side. So this thing, what's this thing for? It's actually for those laptops. Maybe you can also use this thing with the Android smartphones that support OTG, and you can connect an Ethernet directly, the laptop directly to your LAN, which goes inside this, and you can set up the connection and use it directly instead of using Wi-Fi or router or something like that. And this is for those laptops that normally don't come with those cheap ones that don't come with a Ethernet port. So you can use this, and you get this driver that you need to install before using this. So that was it, guys, the unboxing video. I'll try to make a separate video about the how to use this thing. For as far as unboxing is concerned, I hope you found this video useful. That's it for this video. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and have a nice day. Okay, so now I'm going to use this CD, insert it into my laptop and install the driver, and I'll try to show you what after it installs. The drivers were successfully installed, it was successful. So now let's plug this thing inside. Maybe I should go the other way. So the device has been set up. Now let's plug this thing in this LAN port, sorry, in this adapter. No kind of indication whether no light or LED. So let's see if it's done or not. After I plugged in the adapter, it is installing, it's setting up the device. So let's wait for that to get over. So it still says that there's no internet. So let me try to do some changes in the settings and see if it works or not. Now I'm setting up a new connection through my broadband. So let's see if it works or not. So it seems like we are in some sort of a trouble. Now I set up a connection without broadband connection without using any adapter, and I can access the internet. My Wi-Fi is turned off, so the internet that I'm using is from this broadband connection. Let me show you Google Chrome as well. So you can see that the internet connection is on, but when I tried to connect using this adapter, it didn't work. Now I'll be spending some more time with this and see what's wrong with this, why I'm not able to use internet using while connecting with this browser adapter. So let me try it and then I'll come back. Alright, so now even this connection is not working. It fails to connect while this was already not working. So I guess I might have to leave this video here. I would have to search for some way or to ask for someone's help, somebody who could help me out with this. So this video in this video I won't be able to show you the working of this adapter, and I will also make a separate video to see if this works with a Android or a Tizen smartphone. If there's any way I can use the Ethernet connection to my Android or a Tizen smartphone, and if it works or not, and with Windows as well. So I'll make all those things as well as the working of this in separate videos after I find a solution to this problem. So I need to end it here. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching this video and have a nice day.